Minus 9 minus 3 equals? Answer is minus 6. Square root 289 equals? Answer is 17. Square root 324 equals? Answer is 18. Is 24 prime or composite? Answer is composite. What is the LCM of 14 and 11? Answer is 154. Square root 100 equals? Answer is 10. 3 superscript 3 equals? Answer is 27. What is the prime factorization of 30? Answer is 2 times 3 times 5. 28 plus 11 equals? Answer is 39. What is the GCF of 13 and 56? Answer is 1. What is the prime factorization of 24? Answer is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. What is the LCM of 18 and 11? Answer is 198. 8 superscript 3 equals? Answer is 512. 2 to the power of 4 equals? Answer is 16. What is the GCF of 48 and 31? Answer is 1. 7 cubed equals? Answer is 343. Minus 18 minus 11 equals? Answer is minus 29. 8 times minus 6 equals? Answer is minus 48. Minus 3 times minus 8 equals? Answer is 24. Minus 11 times 8 equals? Answer is minus 88.